Oh.
Okay. All right, we'll be done quick. Whoa.
Okay.
What's
Oh no, this is. Oh, sometimes he eats too much. You wouldn't think it. I'm the big one, okay? But sometimes, he hadn't gotten another job yet, so I had to lock up the refrigerator for him. Look at him, he look mad at me for telling you. But I'm just gonna tell you the truth, that's how I go.
So you lock it and we can't get in.
We can't get in. Yeah, that's a job.
Mini dumpster deliveries I've done in a long time, and actually it's the first time that Diego here has ever backed in a mini dumpster. Usually I'm doing it, and you did a pretty decent job, right? I mean, when you backed in the mini, he's not a big talker. Anyway, guys, the customer from the mini dumpster, really straight up guy, really cool. You know, he had that kind of dry sense of humor. Really nice guy, but he was funny at the same time. He said, I've seen your videos, I know how crazy y'all are, and I know who Diego is, if that's him driving. And I said, yeah, that's him. He goes, he didn't bring a guitar with him. And I said, no, he did. So that was pretty funny, that he knew who we were already when we arrived. But he actually only booked us because he had seen our videos, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, let's go to job number 2. It's in the Colony, Texas. We're gonna pick up a lot of trash bags. I just got a phone call from a guy who wants a 12-yard dumpster delivered on Saturday, but I haven't got an address. That's a mistake on my half. Anyway, guys, let's head on to the number 2 job, which is a trash bags and assorted junk. We're just gonna throw in the back of that 550. Peace. We're ready to do this, picking up trash bags in the Colony, Texas. A lot of trash over there. Diego's been bringing trash bags. There we go. Are you ready to do this? Let's see this crazy time lapse. Beautiful day, awful effing job. That job was actually very disgusting. Maggots on all the bags of trash. Here's what's happening. Let me show you something. Diego was throwing one of the bags away, and he accidentally, when he swung it, you know, he swung it over his shoulder, and all the maggots got on his back, and that's what he's doing right now. He's using sanitizer to clean himself. He's all paranoid and worried about it. But look at him, just using the sanitizer. I told him, he swung one of the bags, the first bag that he threw me, he swung one of the bags and he hit me on the ankle and it splattered all over my legs, and it was like maggot juice or something. Anyway, karma's a bitch because it happened right back to him. So this is job number 2. We're gonna head out to job number 3. Let's get out of here, man. shades. But it looks like this is gonna be an apartment clean out. It shouldn't take us more than 30 minutes. We're gonna knock it out. You're gonna see a time lapse. You ready to do this? We're in Desoto, Texas, an apartment clean out. Here we go. That was an easy job, to be honest with you. Nothing big on that one. I mean, I was there maybe an hour, 300 bucks. You know what? I'll take that any day. Yeah, any day, guys. 300 bucks for 1 hour's work. Didn't even fill up half my trailer. We have 2 big couches, but other than that, it's all trash. There's nothing I can save. There's nothing I can recycle. I will save the diapers. You notice I moved a lot of diapers, you know, adult person diaper. We're gonna probably keep that. We got one more job on the schedule. We're heading out right now, guys. Enjoy the video.